Hello guys, today we make guanciale. It's very famous from Italy. It's like a bacon, like pancetta, but it's from the face of the pork. We need more or less 1.5 kilogram of meat, 2 kilogram of sea salt without iodium, pepper that we will break directly on the meat, 2 cloves of garlic, 10 Juniper, I will write down, sorry, I don't know the name of this one in English, and 4 bay leaf. But for this occasion I have a special guest, my personal photo bomber. This is my father-in-law, the photo bomber that you watch in the video from Sicily.
Hello guys.
So now he will clean the meat because he's a butcher, a real one.
Io ho finito, il mio lavoro l'ho fatto, adesso lascio tutto in mano al mio genero. Vi saluto, vi do un abbraccio a tutti, arrivederci.
My father-in-law cut the meat in 2 pieces because after we will do in 2 different ways, but don't worry, we will do this in 7 days. So now we take all the spices, the bay leaf we will break, the juniper berries we will smash, the black pepper, the garlic I will put in a plastic bag for food. Salt, the meat, salt, the meat, salt, and after we put in the fridge. Okay, now we put it in the fridge for 7 days. If you do 1 piece, it's better 10 days, but because I cut it into pieces, 7 days will be enough. I put in the plastic bag because for me it's more easy, but if you have a pirofila or glass container, you can put the salt on the bottom, the meat, and also the salt on the top. See you in 7 days. After 7 days in the fridge, we can remove our meat from the salt, all the spices, and after we wash it with the wine. You can use the wine that you have at home. White wine, rosé wine, red wine, up to you. Will be the same. If you cannot find the wine, you can use the beer. It's okay. Or some other people use half vinegar and half water. Up to you. Our goal is to remove the salt and all the spices. Now we put a dish in the basin because somebody is worried about the bacteria. They are inside the basin, but don't worry. With the wine and all the spices that we will add, there will be no problem at all. Okay, now it's ready. We can put the spices. And also, I don't know if you notice, when I cut the line, I have some problem, but I don't think it's the knife, because my father-in-law used 7 days ago. He was cutting everything very easy, very perfect, because he sharp it very well. So I think that the problem is not the knife, but I'm me. Okay, coming back to the guanciale, we will do two versions, one only with black pepper powder and one only with chili powder. Why? Because the one with chili powder is original from Amatrice and we will use to make pasta alla matriciana in the future. With the other one, with the black pepper, we will do the carbonara. So before that we put the spices, I'll show you also this. When you cut the meat, sometimes can happen that the meat, because you want to clean very well, will be like this. So what to do? After that you spices, after that you add the spices, we will tie the meat. Also, if it's not the perfect shape, the important is the taste. So let's start with the black pepper. add the spices and tighten them, they are ready. The important thing is not the skin, but all the meat without the skin. We should put the spices very well. Now we should hang our meat at room temperature. Here we have a 23 Celsius degree for 2 days, and after we will move in the basement, but I will show you in few days. See you, bye bye. After 2 days at room temperature, we should put in the fridge, or even better, in a basement. The best temperature is 10 Celsius degree. Why I check how many grams is our meat now? Because when the meat loses 30% of its weight, the meat is ready. So we can use it. Usually this one from Amatrice we mature for 3 months, but we are doing it at home, so we will check the way. So now I will put in the fridge at the minimum power, and I will try to hang like this. I don't know if I will be able. This fridge have a metal bar, so I will try to put on this metal bar. See you when the meat is ready. After 14 days in the fridge, after 2 weeks in the fridge, we check our guanciale. In the beginning, the one with the black pepper was 631 grams, now is 581 grams. So he lost 8% of his weight. When it will lost 30%, will be perfect. So we should reach 502 grams. The one with the chili was 587, now is 544, so this guanciale lost 7.3% of his weight. Will be perfect when we reach 411 grams. So at least we will need 4 or 5 or 6 weeks more. So in total will be 2 months. I think that this fridge is doing a very good job. So see you to check again. See you in the future to check again our guanciale. After 87 days, our guanciale is ready. In theory, the idea was that they should lost 30% of their weight, but the one with the pepper lost 13% and the one with the chili 12%. But it's important that they don't lost more than the 30%, because if they lost more, become like a piece of stone. Now we will cut and we will check inside if they are good or not. Ta-da! The smell is already spectacular. I'll show you the color inside. You can see near the fat the meat is very pinky, so spectacular. Outside is more dark, but it's normal because we have only used sea salt, no preservative things. So remember to subscribe to the channel and also to click on the bell, because in the next video we will use the guanciale, the one with the chili, to make pasta alla amatriciana, and the guanciale with the black pepper we will use to make pasta alla carbonara and also pasta alla gricia. Bye bye! See you in the next video with this guanciale. Bye!